What's up, guys? In this video today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a simple program in Java which can let you print out certain messages. So let's get started. First, I want you to type in the code I am writing on the screen. So, start with public class main, and inside that, public static void main string array args for arguments. And there we have it. Now, our first statement to print is system.out.print line. Use a statement to print several strings, such as hello world. Now let's run this code. And we get hello world. Same way, if we want, we can actually duplicate the system, print hello world 2 times. Notice that when I put hello world, it prints hello world, then it moves to a new line and prints hello world again. However, if I use the command system.out.print, it will not go to a new line. Instead, it will print hello world and immediately print the next statement, hello world. This is the difference between the two statements. Using what you've learned now, here are some exercises. You can use the command and you can write your own pretend narrative using this command. I will see you in the next video, and happy coding.